Hey guys, it's Jen. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're all having a great week. We're just continuing with the theme of love this week, and the girls are all over it. They're really enjoying it. So they're happily outside playing right now. So that's awesome, considering it looks like we're going to have rain for the next few days. All right, so a few different things I wanted to show you. One, I just wanted to show you how Maya's window design is coming along. So that's looking really pretty. She's still going to add a little bit more. Callie is also working on one too, but Callie's, I believe, is all orange and yellow, just like the small one you saw, because those are duck colors. So, and she's super into ducks right now. So anyways, another thing I was going to say, if you didn't have the butcher block paper like I was talking about yesterday to send someone a huge hug, another simpler idea is to just trace your children's hands, and then you can just send a hug to someone like this. So then it's like they're wrapping the hug around. Now, if you have multiple kids, you will know that things need to be fair. Originally, I only had one colored string, and apparently I needed two to represent both the girls. So there we go. So that's a much easier way. You probably have some stuff at home to do that. And then you can just send that to someone, and it's like you're sending them a hug as well. So just another idea. All right, so some new activities for today. We're still kind of thinking about what we could maybe do for some of the essential workers, and so that is sort of a work in progress. I know my dad had mentioned that for my grandmother's nursing home, he and she will be giving the nursing staff Tim Hortons gift cards, and I thought that was a nice idea. So I don't know, we're just trying to think of other ways to kind of help during this time. Just kind of, show our gratitude, but we'll have to get back to you on that because I'm not exactly sure what we'll be doing yet. But it is something that's up for discussion right now in our house. So, okay, books today. Just look up books about love. So many books about love. The girls love reading books online, so we're often kind of searching different books, and so many about love. Just look some up. Continue the topic if you guys are following along with us. Yeah. So, a few different things that we're going to do today. On the topic of love, Maya really wanted to make a book about love, so what love is. So she hasn't got to this yet today because we've been busy doing a few other things. But so love is, and then she can just on various pages put in her mind what love represents. And for Callie, I'm not sure how it'll look. If Callie wants to have a book as well, I've made her one, but she may just represent love in a picture. I'm not sure. I try to keep things fairly fair between them because, as you've seen, Callie doesn't like if her task looks much different or more babyish than Maya's. So I try to keep them similarly, and we'll just see what happens. So anyways, okay. Another thing, Maya really wants to learn how to braid. Whenever I braid my hair, she always thinks I look like Elsa from Frozen. So it's something she wants to learn how to do. So all I did was go through my craft stuff, found 3 different colors ribbons, and we kind of started it this morning, and just help her kind of working on braiding. Now, you keep in mind if you're going to do this, choose something that's thick enough for the kids, because if it's too fine, like just a little like embroidery floss or something, that's actually fairly tricky for them to maneuver. And also try to choose something that has 3 colors as opposed to one solid color, because then it's harder for them to differentiate between whether they're going over or under. So anyways, this has already been used for a wand and numerous other things. So aside from teaching braiding, I'm sure it'll be put to good use in our house. So, okay. Today, for just some different number activities, I just got out dominoes in our house. The girls are really crazy about dominoes. They really like them. We don't actually play like real dominoes, but the girls just really like them. And I mean, they are pretty cool. So what we're going to do today is just going to set them out. And then, for example, whatever number they choose from the dominoes, that's how many they're going to create. And possibly for Maya, an extension would be add together. So for Callie, she could see that. I'm just going to use either Lego or Duplo. I had Duplo already available, so we'll be using that. So if it was Maya, she might represent it like 2 plus 2 equals 4. Or Callie, we'll just kind of see what Callie wants to do, whether she wants to represent them or add them together, but just kind of a fun way to kind of get some addition going. If you are not aware, Dreambox is, it's an app where it's a math resource app that we often use in primary education, and actually the Waterloo Region District School Board actually has licenses for us to have all the students to have Dreambox accounts, I think up until grade 4. So anyways, a really, really fun little app that has different sort of arcade type games, but it encompasses math. And then as they proceed in the levels, they receive little gold coins, which they can then spend doing whatever arcade games they want. So I was watching Maya play it yesterday, and it was interesting just to see where her learning is at based on me just watching her play. So I think that this will be actually a really good one to play with, because they were using a lot of 10 frames where they would be like, okay, the top of the 10 frame is full. So that would be 5, and then plus 2 more. And they were doing all sorts of addition, and it was kind of expecting her to be fairly speedy with it. So I think that this will be a good one for Maya to sort of learn how to speed up some of her additions. So gonna try this. We'll see how many we get through, how many little dominoes. But I think if Callie just wants to represent them or identify the numbers, that's awesome. And if Maya, I'm gonna get Maya to add them together with Duplo. So that's a little bit of math today. What else did we have going on today? Oh, I had mentioned that our family loves games, and the girls are really, really into playing games. Memory is one of their favorite games. Go Fish is one of their favorite games. But another really fun game that actually Craig and Callie were playing last night is Connect 4. And they really like this game. If you haven't played it before or you forget, you just have to get 4 in a row, but you're also trying to block each other. So you're trying to block your opponent from getting 4 in a row. Now, I will tell you, when you play against a 3-year-old, you have a very good chance of winning because they do not play very offensively or defensively. They just sort of try to put 4 in a row. And anyways, the girls really like this. At the end of the day, we don't really play very offensively or defensively either, so we're just having fun trying to get 4 in a row, and the girls really like it. So this is definitely a fun game that Callie has. Callie's just turned 3, and she's able to play, but she was even interested in it this summer when we saw it at a friend's house, so probably closer to 2.5. So definitely a fun game, worth checking out for sure. Okay, I think that's it for today. Tomorrow is paint day, so if you don't have paint at your house, no worries. There are many homemade paint recipes that you'd have to look them up for sure, but it's only flour and food coloring and like very basic, very minimal ingredients to make homemade paint if you don't have any of your own. So just double checking. Yeah, I think that's it. Much shorter today for me. So anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Happy learning. And if you guys have any ideas about how maybe we could give back in the community or ideas for what we could do right now, Maya's really wanting to help out a little more right now. So let us know any of your ideas or maybe what you've been doing or whatever. But on that note, I also wanted to let you know that I have the girls' old crib. We are no longer using it, and it's in good used condition. So I would love if it could go to a home of a family someone that could use it right now. A few minor bite marks at the top, not from Maya, they're from Callie. So there's a few little chips on one of the railing tops, but it also converts into a toddler bed. So if you know someone that could really use it during this time, we're not looking to make money off it. We're just looking for it to go to a good home. Lots of good memories in it, and we're just happy to share it with someone else. So message me if you know anyone that could use it around this time. So anyways, if not, I'm just going to put on Facebook. I did already have it on Facebook and had a no-show, so I'm just trying to see, just put it out there again. So anyways, have an awesome day, everyone. Look forward to reconnecting tomorrow, and please continue to send me pics because it always makes us happy when we see pictures of our friends doing some of the same activities. So thanks, guys. Bye. Hey guys, it's Jen. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone is having a great week. Continuing with the theme of love and appreciation this week. The girls are still really into that. We've had some discussions about what we could continue, what we could do rather for